Hi guys, once again we're gonna do a new project. New things to learn. This is the home light trimmer. So I bought this, but so I use it. It's very good. So line is done inside. So I'm gonna show how I open and put the new line inside of this box. There is a two button. One is this side, the other one this side. Press together at the same time and then take it out. This white one. Press the both side and just pull it like this. This is the cover. This is the that we're gonna put the line in this here. This. So what do you need? How long do you need the line? Just I did 8 feet. I cut it and 8 feet. And then after that, you need, of course, a scissor that you might cut it again. And so what are you gonna do? First things first. There is a just bring together, make it two line, and like this, bring this together, two line, make it two line, right there, like this, okay, like this. Then after that, if you check the things, it says that, like this way you just put it, you have to turn it clockwise. So there's a hole, two holes inside. I don't know, do you see, like there's a two hole inside. What we're gonna do, each line we push it inside of that hole, the other ones, the other hole, and as you push it little bit inside, and then bend it the clockwise. One line is gonna go inside of this row, and the other line it will go to this row as you see. And then turn it. And what you're gonna turn it, which nice way, just turn it. And you turn it, it's getting there. I just did 8 feet. That's showing you guys how is it working. And just until the line end, you just turn it clockwise, like this. Hands, it goes right there, goes. All right. Okay, a little bit more, I think. As I said, I did 8 feet, but you might do more, so it's gonna take so much, as you see, like maybe 20 feet, 30 feet, I don't know how many feet, but it's gonna take a lot. So what are you gonna do? So there is a groove here. Push it, first one maybe, push it inside of that groove that it can hold. The other one, hold on. Other one, as you see, the other groove you can put it. And what are you gonna do? You can cut right out middle, right here. And we need this time, says, as you see, I'm gonna cut it. See, look at this. This is the way. And what else we're gonna do now? Then we just put the inside. How you gonna put this huge hole? It's gonna be bottom. There is a tighter hole is that it's gonna go stay out, and then bring it this first, put it into hole as you see, and push it a little bit. Then bring the other one. This is the guy. This guy. Maybe you can see that. As you see, this is this guy going to the other hole, like right there. Guy goes this hole, right? Is right here, and then slowly push it inside. Yeah, pull the line, the other line. Yeah, it should lose. Where I put that groove is not gonna stay there. Just take it out. Itself is came out already. So just pull it a little bit more, and that is a that is okay. Now, okay, bring the cover, hold it to the line, hold the whole line, and bring the cover, and watch the where it's gonna go. The cover, as you see the right there, right inside. See inside. Just push it. Right there. So it should it should come all the way end of this corner. And what are you gonna do? There is a button right here. You will push, and same time you're gonna pull it the line. All right. What I'm gonna do? Pushing the button right there and pull it. See, it came a little bit more, and you push the button and pull it. See, it came a lot, but you can what you can do. Still, you can tie that. As you see, you can take it out. Yeah, you can tie it back. So right here, you open it. And you tied it like here. So it's okay. Even though we don't tie it, it's okay. But this is it's later on. This is it. I can cut it, and same size from this each side. Like it should be this much. Like that. I'm gonna cut it here. Okay. Then this is it. This is the way you can put the line, and go. Then after that you can go ahead and work. All right. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.